Hi, I'm Chandrasekhar. I'm making a video how to use GeoTest, how to deposit in GeoTest, how to find how to purchase BNB and send by converting in BSC to Trust Wallet to BSC address. So GeoTest is one of the exchanger, Indian exchanger, very nice, no fee. So first you have to use net banking and you have to enter the address. I'll show you which address. I'll show you, then you'll understand. So if you want to deposit, you have to go with, I'm going for my wallet. The third option here, you can see the third option. I'm going here. So this purpose I'm using for busd.forsage.io, which project I'm doing, and Ether Connect. Both projects, wonderful international projects I'm doing. And for my teammates, I'm sending this BNB, converting in BSC and sending into my teammates. That is what the purpose here. So I'm using GeoTest for this. So GeoTest, you can see GIOTUS. GeoTest exchanger like WazirX and ZepPay only, but here transaction fee is 0 and very less and very quickly done. I'll show you deposit option. I'm clicking. You see this option. This all I entered in net banking. I have HDFC net banking. I have entered all these details. Add beneficiary. In that I added this complete detail. So this account is available there. I'll show you that. I'll show you that also. So what I do is, to this address completely I will send money through net banking first. I'll show you how I'm doing it. I'll go to my HDFC net banking. The easy method you can do through UPI also, but I am feeling this is safe and better, and it is done very quickly. Initially you'll find a little difficult to understand this. Once you understand, it's very easy. It's not at a lot. If you want to go with net banking, you can go with it, or you can go with UPI also. Option is there. As if now, see, I'm clicking on. So whoever want to create, let me enter my number. Let me enter my password. And let me log in. Now you see I have logged in. My amount is 3,190. So I am sending 3,100 in GeoTest. Okay, 3,000 I am sending to GeoTest. Let me send there. So I'll go to this option, fund transfer. I'll click on it. So I'm not sending within the bank, I'm sending out of the bank, this part, IMPS. So here, see here, instant transfer. It's not for my account, it is for other account. See here, NEFT and all that. So I'm going for second option, IMPS option. I'm selecting my account name, Kalyanagar branch. My balance will be available. Now you see here GeoTest. So this is a exchanger like WazirX, but it's far better than WazirX. All details are already entered, no issues. Amount I'm entering 3,000. I've entered 3,000 here. Remark for what I'm using, Forsage. BUSD.4 BUSD means Binance United States Dollars Project. Forsage.io I'm using for it. So going down, continue. So here confirm is asking all details are right or wrong. I corrected it. I cross checked everything. I'm going to confirm because it is mobile. So my OTP will come on mobile and email also. It is very safe. So here OTP we have to enter once it get in. So I'm waiting for OTP to come. Copying the verification code. I copied it. I am putting here. I'm continuing. So it is done. Let me check my wallet account. I'm going account. See here, money got deducted from 3,190. 3,000 is deducted. Now I'll go back to Zeotus. Zeotus is exchange. I told you like ZPay, Wazirex, Binance, but it's Indian exchanger. It's part user. This app is available. Website also you can do. So once you add it beneficiary in net banking, you can do it. It will be free of cost. It will be done very easily. See here, within seconds the amount will come here. It will show in your deposit amount. It got detected from there. It will come here within minutes. So here, crypto history you can find, withdrawal history, okay, everything. Trade history, what trading you are doing. Withdrawal also you can do the same procedure. My name, account number is given already. Fee 0%. That is what the power of ZPC, this Geotas. I really love this Geotas exchange. See, my account is full now. Net banking added. If you want to deposit, you can go for other deposit option also, but 2.2 will be deducted. Amount you enter UPI, 1% fee will be deducted for UPI. That is what. That's the reason why I did through net banking. You can do with UPI also. So here you see you can enter your amount and it goes like this. If you enter amount like 100 etc, I'm telling you, I'm showing you. So if I go there, then it will directly take me where it's taking. Let us see. I'm waiting for this options. You can go with UPI. See here, net banking UPI. Click on UPI. Google Pay, Beam, Paytm, Phone Pay, WhatsApp, other. All you can use. If you want to go for Phone Pay, you go for Phone Pay. Enter your UPI, that one, your UPI ID here and pay now. You will get a message there. You pay there. Amount will be deposited. Very easy. Very, very easy. Now going back, I don't know. I've showed you both ways, but because many will don't have net banking, so I've showed you UPI also here in fast manner because I don't want to extend this. So I'll go video. So I'll go here. I'll type BNB. Here BNB is there. So I'm going for buy option. So I'll buy. I'll put total 3,000. Okay. I'm going for quantity here. So I'm clicking on here. You can see the quantity here. So I'll click there. I click on it. Let me delete this. Total 3,000 rupees. 0.1060 BNB I'm getting 3,000. Buy. Are you sure you want to buy? price of, let me check which one is low here. Let me make it dark, my screen, so you can also able to see it. Yeah, I'll go with this option, with the low. Buy, accept, order created. Now let me see. It's showing clearly. So I'll go to my wallet back. See, all money deducted. 75 is there. Now I'll go for BNB. BNB. BNB will be here. Yeah, see. When I type BNB, BNB 0.10. I'll go for withdrawal. BSC. You see here? That is what I want to show you here. When you go for GeoTest, you no need to swap. Directly you'll get BSC option. Now where we have to withdraw? That paste address. So I'm pasting the address here. Trust Wallet's address I am pasting here. Moment. Okay. Here Trust Wallet is there. This is my wallet, Ethereum wallet. All cryptocurrencies can be exchanged and all that. So I'll go with Smart Chain here. This address I'm copying. Let me check. So I'll go with one option. Okay, better. I go with option 2. Smart Chain. Copy address. Go back. Here I'm sending from here. BSC directly. No need to swap. That is what? Quantity maximum 0.1057. 0.1057. I'm sending completely. Nothing. Now I'll because 0.001 BNB is fee. Okay. So here you can see I'm getting 0.1047 BNB. So it is very nominal. So two-way verification will be done once you will get OTP on mobile. So we have to wait for OTP to come. You'll get very quickly. I'm waiting for it. Yes, it came. 238356. 238356. You have to type here. You can check in messages. Now I have to go to email. I'm going to my email because two-way verification, I said you, there is no scamming, nothing. It's not possible at all. So GeoTest will send OTP on mobile and confirmation on email. So that is what the power of it. Really nice wallet it is. Super wallet. I really love this wallet. No need to click here. You see this option, you have to go. Click here. Okay. Click on it. Click here. Initially it will be very lengthy process, but see here, it will show you withdrawal fee is 0.0010. So 0.0010 is withdrawal fee to this address is going. So I'll show you how much 0.0010. At the end of this session, I'll put yes approve. I'll click on yes approves. Now it will be approved. So your withdrawal request has been successful. Go to dashboard. I'll go to dashboard again. Okay. Here this is a simple procedure where I can send. Let me see whether it's came or not. Because this time I'm sending here. You'll know it whether it came or not. You see. Initially this much is there. Once you receive it, it will be increased. Okay. So this I am taking a photo snap. I'm sending how much is available first and how much it will be later. Once it reached, your BNB BSC smart chain will be detected, will come into the trust wallet. It will be detected from GeoTrust. It will come to trust wallet. From there, you can activate busd.forsource.io or EtherConnect. Both are international projects. 1 minute. Send it. Now I'll show you. I'm waiting. You have to wait for it for some time because it is blockchain technology. Now let us see the wallet. Let us check. From here, I will send this BSC to other wallet. I'll send this BSC to other wallet. You see, my BSC is now full. See here, let me mark it. Let me mark it. Let it mark it for you. See here. Okay. See here. Earlier it was different. Now it is different. I may be scratching badly, but to make you understand, I'm showing you. Very easily it came. Now from this trust wallet, I send this Binance change to other trust wallet. That procedure also I'll do. You can see now. Uh, Now you see mine is trust wallet. So I have received from GeoTrust to my trust wallet to this address. So here you can see wallets. Have 3 wallets on BUSD. Wallet 1, you can create wallets. Wallet 2, wallet 3. All 3 wallets I have. So I am going for which wallet I have received is wallet 2. Wallet 2. You can create 200 plus wallets. Now I am sending this smart chain, that is, it's called BSC, Binance Smart Chain, to run Forsage BUSD plan. It is backup. This is a fee. There will be a nominal fee of around $1 for one upgradation or activation of it. I'll show you that also, what is that activation and all that. But let me show you how I can send. Click on send option here, send option. Okay, receive means you can receive, copy the address and more you can go ahead. I'll copy the address. Okay, but before copying I want to send it. So it will have recipient address and BNB. So I'm going to my downline address. My downline is there. One of my teammate whose address I'll take and I'll paste it there. He has sent me yesterday night to activate his ID. So I made videos on it also. So let me go directly there. I'm scrolling up because somewhere it's up. I have to copy it. Going up. Yeah, this is address. One minute. To go down. I'm checking for that address. Okay. I'll copy this address to start with OX always. So I'm copying this address. Wait. Okay, I copied this. I'm going back to my trust wallet. Recipient means the person, my teammate, my down teammate. So I have pasted it here. 0.12 BNB I'm sending him. So continue. Smart chain 40. So here charges you can see minimal charges. So 2 rupees 76 paisa, that's all. To transfer from one trust wallet to other trust wallet, you need this amount. Send. Now it will get detected. You after some time your transaction pending is showing. So once it is done, it will show success. It will show success. Yes, done. So it is sent and it is detected. Successful. Good. Very good. Now this is what I want to show you. Geotest purchase BNB. While sending BSC, it will be given already. No need to worry. Send BSC smart chain to run that program, the smart contract. For such smart contract, we need this. So you have to send. You have to send. Give the address of that person, amount. That's all. To know this amount, you can check in Google, where you can see. You can check if I put 0.05, then I'll know how much amount it's going on. Here INR will be given down here. So don't need to panic. You check with numbers, or you can go to Google and check how much you want to send. It will give you the BNB number. Then you can do that amount. That's all for today's session. If you like this channel, like my video, please share and like, and WhatsApp me 9666406195 to check out with my wonderful program Forsage and Etherconnect both. So busd.forsage.io. So this is what our Forsage program on Binance Smart Chain. So I'll click it here. You can see my ID will come. Automatic login. I'll go connect my wallet. This is called blockchain. I'll get OK. My number will come now, 3098. So this is what Forsage plan is. These are the activation slots. You can activate all this. To run this, you need a Binance Smart Chain and BUSD to fill up these slots. You see here, BUSD is here. So wonderful 12 slots will be there. If you call WhatsApp me 9666406195, I'll help you out in this international program. If you like, please put a view of like, subscribe my channel, and I hope your day will be great. Thank you so much. Bye bye.